This is my school, Pine Tree Secondary. It seems peaceful and there is nothing that happens, but the reality is quite opposite of what you might think. On June 2nd, Coquitlam Now releases the article about this weird event. Since it happens right beside my school, I was there to take a look. It is about it and them. Them, I thought we need to find out because I am sure it is significant. I actually found out about it a few days ago. The white things like snow on the Lafarge Lake surface. I have to know because my curiosity cannot make me stop. When I arrived at the park, I found the small road at the forest near the lake. I walked inside and was surprised by the summer snow in the small lake in the forest. They are already inside there. While I was confused, a couple of ducks walk to the lakes and flow on it like they don't care. What is this thing? Why is it on the lake? I decided to go further as I can. I got out on the road and started to walk in on a cloudy day. It is a scene out of a horror rather than a scene out of spectacular nature. In front of the bench, many students are usually fishing and tanning. The lake was covered with this summer snow. When I even walk near, I can see the snow flow like powder over the forest. With my sneezing nose, I walk near the snowy lake as close as possible. When I approach near the lakeshore, I finally can observe this weird thing closely. It looks like some kinds of cotton rather than cold, icy stuff or something. I had no idea what it really was. I just looked at the sky. The park sky was gray at that time. Suddenly something has fallen down on the road. I closely looked at them. What is it? Later I knew it was a powder of cottonwood. I thought it was the name of cotton, but it was actually not. It's real as eastern cottonwood, and it produces the fluffy white seeds during early summer, like right now. Unlike the cotton plant, it is powder, cannot be used for clothing. Inside the powder, there are small seeds, 1 millimeter wide by 4 millimeters long. Now everything was solved. The summer snow is a part of the life of reproduction. Then why so many powder spread on the lake? Well, I guess I should blame my selfishness, which let me care about what I want to do, and indifferent about trees near the lake before when I was born. With my thinking, I just look around for a long time. My lesson wasn't done until 3 days later. After a heavy raining, the whole powder snows are just gone away. The day I went there was the last day I saw them. They are parts of reproduction, but they are gone before they are settled on the soil. I lost them like the last goodbye to a friend you've never seen after. Some could say they appear again in the next year, but not these seeds. They can't be the same. Even though they just look like the summer snow nobody cares or hates. They are born to live, and tried the best as they can do. I still remember them.